Hi, my name is Shay, and the organization I decided to do my presentation on is Say San Diego. Say San Diego, or Social Advocates for Youth, is located in beautiful San Diego, California, just 13 miles away from where I live. The funding from this organization comes from state and federal agencies, all military branches, faith institutions, nonprofit partners, and many, many more. Say San Diego has many accreditations. Those include the San Diego Unified School District, the Department of Health and Human Services, Probation Department, City of San Diego, and many more. The mission or goal of Say San Diego is to assist children, families, and communities to overcome their obstacles and strengthen and reach their full potential. The role of the program. Say San Diego has various programs to help enrich the youth, empower families, and engage in the community. One of those programs specifically focused on healthy families and having healthy families in the healthy community. Those services include emergency food, medical and dental assistance, public benefit screenings, and parent and child development services. They also have programs that provide mental health services. The population. Say San Diego has been making a difference for children, families, and community for more than 40 years. The organization first started with just one employee, with a budget of $1,500. The goal was to provide prevention services to struggling youth. Since since then, the organization has now evolved, and now they're focusing on strengthening children, their family, as well as their community that they live in. Some of the services that this organization provides are before and after school programs, child abuse prevention. When it comes to crime, organization covers juvenile delinquency prevention as well as diversion. For addictions, they provide alcohol, tobacco, and substance abuse prevention. They provide child abuse prevention and family support, mental health counseling, case management. The organization also providing access to health care, employment opportunities, and many more. Barriers. Some of the barriers that I found that this organization may struggle with are the funding and staffing. Since this is a nonprofit organization, I feel that they do not have the resources to hire staff in full-time positions that will motivate them to stay within the organization. When looking at a lot of the reviews for this company, I noticed that their turnaround rate was not that great. It seems like the employees work there and gain their experience and then they move on from the organization. I feel that maybe if they had better funding, they'll be able to staff more employees and they'll be motivated to stay within the organization and not move on. Ethical considerations. Some of the ethical considerations that I feel this organization has is client welfare. This organization deals with addictions and prevention. They understand their responsibility to ensure the safety and welfare of each client. Confidentiality. The organization provides counseling for young adults and their families. They understand that confidentiality and anonymity are foundational to addiction treatment, and they treat and protect the identities of their clients. Discrimination. The organization does not engage or endorse or condone discrimination against their clients. They accept all members of the community, no matter what race, ethnicity, age, religion, or any other basis. And qualified. This organization hires only qualified professionals who have the appropriate education, training, and certifications to treat their clients. Recommendations. I feel that most of the strategies are effective with this organization, especially when dealing with youth. I feel like youth have a better chance at improving their life, especially when you intervene at a young age. The goal is to provide people with the skills, knowledge, and the experience necessary to become productive citizens. Many youth intervention programs help prevent children from dropping out of school, engaging in bad behavior, or end up in the juvenile justice system. They even prevent death. Youth rehabilitation programs are needed. They don't need custody time. This organization is great because they provide those types of services. The organization works hand in hand with the court system and provides diversion programs to help these young adults get back on track. They're also available to get their families involved and work together at bettering themselves. If we had more programs like this, we'd have a better chance at improving more lives. I recommend Say San Diego for any young adult that finds themselves going down the wrong path and is seeking help or change. This concludes my presentation. Thank you.